one you got wrong is the first one. Hold on, let me get it up. Number 3. This one. Gentlemen, guys, here we go. So we have the angle is equal to half of the opposite angles added together, the opposite arcs. So what do we got to do, Kara? What do we got to do? What do you do? What do we got to do? Okay, 43, 81, and then what? What does this give us? The angle, right? What number is this? So this angle is 62, but we're looking for W or Y, WX. So how can we find that though? $118? Is that the only one you got wrong? Good job. Got that big old brain in there. All that smartness. What else, Owen? What did you get wrong? What about any other one? Which one do you want to see? There were several. Take that as a no. 7? This one? What did you get? What do you want to see, Austin?
Which one do you think is the hardest?
None of them. They're all really easy.
Well, you're going to pick 2 that you're going to think is the hardest.
Of these, I think these are all really easy, honestly.
Let's do number 7, and let's do the one that's like completely different from the other 2. That's got like a V shape and it's got that.
7. So we did this one. So this is the angle is equal to half of the adjacent arc. So the arc, the angle, if we're looking for this angle down here, is half of the arc that is adjacent. So it's the one that's on the same side of our line. $154? Yeah, because the angle will be half of 308. Half of 308 is 154. Yeah, so I have in our notes folder, we have these, where is it? The sheet. We have these notes here in the folder, right? You can't do these problems without these. You just have to. So, yeah, these are easy unless you're not using them, then they're impossible. Yeah. What do you think, Sarah? Any ones you want to see? No? Okay.
Wait, what does it mean by big minus small?
Or 7. That's cool. Like 6 or 7.
Fair enough.
Okay, so 6, we have this arc over here, and we want to find this one. Make this into a little x. Well, what's the measure of the angle? No, that would be true if it was like, all the way over here. No. So now we need to use that value. So we have our angle is equal to half of the opposite angles added together. Don't distribute this half, though, because you're going to end up with half x or x over 2. We don't want this. We don't want this. How can we get rid of the half? Yeah, multiply by 2. Yes. You can. And then it's the easiest problem in the world. Then now it's the easiest problem in the world. Whatever it is, we can figure it out. What else, Austin?
We're gonna do that question now, and that'll be the last one. Other than the other question.
There's only one. I don't know which one you're looking at.
It's like MK, the 56 is 160. Yeah, that one. It looks like that one here, okay? Is that question now?
Wouldn't it be 160 minus? Wait, no, never mind.
Minus what? 56 is the angle. Again, you're going to distribute this. You're going to end up with 1/2 x, or x over 2. Yep. I think so.
It is, yeah.
What's going to happen when we subtract 160 from both sides?
Are you gonna get a negative?
What's wrong with that?
Well, whenever you go to divide, it'll turn positive.
Yep, we got to divide by -1. Yes. What is it?
It's on today's classwork.
Oh, so that's what we'll do next. Do we have any other stuff for yesterday's stuff?
I only got one wrong, but I figured out how to do it.
Good. So let's look at some of the ones from today. Oh, and no questions? You feeling good about these?
Like, I think I know how to do this, but I don't want to, like, get a higher number and what I was thinking is that it would be the 3x plus 23 plus x equals 180. And you're doing something else, so never mind.
Well, I'm using the formula.
Oh, okay.
Right, if we go back and we look, it goes through the middle, right? So we have to use this formula. So our angle is 3x plus 23. Half of 55 plus 75. So the ones we do today, these are just all like more algebra, but there's not much of a difference. I wouldn't. I would do this first, or I would multiply by 2. It's probably best practice not to. Because now we have like legit the easiest problem in the world, right? So yeah, I don't even worry about distributing the half ever. But you just have to remember that when you're multiplying, this is a quantity. Next, what else we got on here?
It won't let me go to the next page. Huh? It's not gonna go to my work. You're right, I only got the first question.
All right, I'm going to pick one. I want to look at something else. You ready, Sarah? So this is one from our homework.
Why not? You want to be hip with the kids with the box.
For decoration.
I like them.
That reminds me of the studio over at Ace with Mr. Spawn. He's got like a whole shelf full of like old cameras.
Well, these ones. The tape players don't work, so I can't sell them. All right, for this one, what's the measure of our big arc? What do you think? What is it, Aaron? All right, so we got in the parens we got 170 minus what's the small arc? See ya.
Please excuse the interruption. At this time, all seniors, please go to the auditorium. All seniors to the auditorium.
Now watch. Notice. I put the 5x plus 8 inside of the parens. You know why? Because it's minus. Because it's minus something. It's minus this whole thing, and that means that this is one of the things that we forget to do with these problems is we have to distribute the negative sign. If it's minus something, it'll flip both signs.
Wait, so would you distribute the half to 170, or would you just distribute all of it?
I would not distribute the half at all.
You do a little bit of algebra and then you solve it. Or you do that.
Multiply both sides by 2.
That also works.
Because we're going to have to do 170 minus 8.
Wouldn't it be negative 10 then?
What? What? No. I multiply both sides by 2, but what's 2 times 1/2? All right, so that's this. This is just 1 times all this. 1 times all that doesn't change it. Right? 1 times 170 is 170. 1 times negative 5x is negative 5x. 1 times. That's why we multiply both sides by 2. Then we don't have to worry about the half. Guys. Well, you're not. Guys, girls. Guys. You can't multiply one side by something that's illegal. It's not equal anymore. Like.
I hate math so much.
Is that true?
Constantly lies. It's constantly lies. In elementary, they told
Okay.
us there was no such thing as negative numbers, and now there's negative numbers. I asked them in elementary, and they told me that they aren't a thing.
I swear to God, my teachers told my math.
It's not true, right?
Negative numbers were real either.
Is that true? That's why we multiply both sides.
Yeah.
Like, it just has to. I mean, you might not do it, but that's what is happening.
You don't need to multiply it by half, it's just
Well, we need to get rid of the half. We got to work with the half. Yeah.
But it's just an extra step that you don't need.
Well, we do. Yeah, but we do need it. You don't need it. You just don't want it. Yeah. Here, you with me? You got to distribute the negative sign on these. You have to distribute the negative sign on these. Whenever you have a minus a quantity, we got this quantity from up here, you have to distribute the negative sign. So this is turns from 5x plus 8 to negative 5x minus 8. This one's on there, Sarah. Just heads up. This one's on there. Yeah, give me a second. Number 8 on yours, or like in general? On yesterday's? What did it look like? I don't know either. Austin, what's it look like?
40 and 75. That's question here.
There it goes. $40. Oh, my bad. That's 75. That was a test. I mean, they're really easy problems.
155.
Yeah, they're really easy stuff. It's just setting them up, and then remembering to multiply both sides by 2. Other ones. Questions from today. Yes, Clarissa.
The one that I'm on, is it like the same thing? Because like the angle that it wants you to find it's inside of the arc that you're supposed to put it. Is it like the same thing?
It's the exact.
Same thing that you showed me before?
It's the exact same thing.
Okay.
Just different numbers.
Alright.
What do you think, Owen? Oh yeah. It explains itself. Plug it in. Yeah. You're doing a pyramid.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. Yeah. All right. I can respect that.
It's my yoga instructions.
All right. You have any questions, Aaron? Any other ones? No.
What do you mean, no?
Neither of none of those things.
It's sign language.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
That's not sign language.
It means
All right.